Aloe vera is a succulent as such is related to the cactus. Cacti are fairly easy to propagate from cuttings, but aloe vera cuttings with a high moisture content rarely become viable plants. Rooting an aloe vera plant leaf seems like it should work, but all you will get is a rotten or shriveled leaf. As a result, aloe vera cuttings are not the most reliable method of plant propagation. A better way to share this delightful plant is by removal of offsets. Hi, I'm Ruhi Zafar. Welcome to my channel Plants Are Vital. Aloe vera is a popular houseplant with medicinal properties and also help clean the air. The sap from leaves has wonderful topical benefits, especially on burns and minor cuts. Their fabulous, smooth, glossy, plump foliage and ease of care make these houseplants ideal additions in the home. Offsets, also called pups or offshoots, are clones that grow from the stem or roots of the parent plant. Pups rely on the parent for water and nutrients until their own root system is established. The result is a single parent plant growing outwards into a clump of many connected plants, each with its own roots. Aloe vera propagation can be done any time of year, but is best during the growing season, that is spring and summer. Now, without further ado, let's go through the propagation process. Before you jump into propagation, have the following supplies on hand. One healthy plant with pups, a sharp clean knife, a pot or container with drainage holes, well-drained garden soil, preferably a succulent blend. I am taking here 1 part of sand and 1 part of garden soil. Search for the pups on and around your aloe plant stem. Not only will they be at the stem, pups may be hiding at the base of the mother plant. They may be fully obscured by the mother large leaves. Take the entire plant, pups and all of its pot and brush away as much soil as possible. Be careful not to disturb other plants growing nearby. Be careful of the root system for both the parent aloe plant and its offsets. Gently untangle the pups from the mother plant. If needed, use a knife to cut them free, but don't cut the roots. Take your time with this step so that you cause as little damage as possible. Now that it's separated, examine the offset's roots for any damage. Cut free rotten or unhealthy portions, keeping as much of the root intact as possible. You may want to check the mother plant's roots for damage as well. Each offset should have at least few leaves and its own root system. Repot the offset in dry, well-draining soil. The roots need to breathe, so don't pack down the soil tightly. While the pups are small, they still need to adjust to the fresh soil around their root system. Put the mother plant back in its pot. You may also use this chance to upgrade its pot for a larger one. Whether you are doing aloe vera repotting or another plant, it's the same process. Two small pups are not suitable for propagation. Avoid watering right after repotting. Leave the plant for a few days to adjust itself in a new environment. Then water the plant every 15 to 20 days or vary according to the weather conditions. In this way, you can propagate aloe vera and increase its number as much as you wish and can get its maximum benefits. If you like this video, please share it as much as possible and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.